Welcome to another video in our series on taking control of your website with Sitefinity CMS. Today we're going to look at taking a deeper dive into some of the marketing tools that are in Sitefinity. We're going to explore a little farther at some of the technical features and how to actually accomplish some of the marketing tasks that you might have on a daily basis. In this video, I'm going to focus on the blogs module. So for the demonstrations, I'm going to use our website, a copy of our website. What we want to look at first is a very common marketing tool you can use to draw people back to your website again and again, is a blog. Keep posting valuable, interesting information, and your prospects and customers may keep coming back to your website. So on our demonstration website here, we've got a link to Ian's blog. So that's a copy of a version of my blog. So I click on it and I can see some of the postings. There's one and another one. When I went to a conference, I posted some articles every day and a few other things. So here are my posts from my blog. Now to update and add to the blog, I'm going to go back and log into the back end of the system. This is the back end of Sitefinity CMS, where we can manage the content of our website. And I'm going to go to the modules area. And in the previous videos, I've shown you very briefly some of the modules here: news, blogs, polls, forums, events, newsletters, etc. And I'm going to click on blogs. So we can see here for this demonstration, I've got one blog. Well, you can have multiple blogs. So different people in your organization can have a blog, or you could have different blogs on different topics. And this one happens to be called Ian Pavlik. There are currently 11 posts, and a bunch of people have commented on it. And I can change the settings just for this blog. So here's where I name the blog, give it a description and an author. And down here is where I can set some information about comments. So maybe I don't want people to be able to comment online. Or maybe I do. But if they do, I want to be able to moderate their comments. So choose whether they should show or not. So you have that kind of flexibility. So once I set the settings here, I'm going to turn moderate comments on and allow comments. And I click Save Changes. So now that applies to my blog, and I look at all the posts in my blog. So here's some of the posts, and I want to go and edit a blog for a posting. So here is one that was done a while ago, and I can go and edit this blog posting. And here's where I could change the title of that posting. I could make a change to it, but you know what? I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to create a new posting. So I'm going to click Create New Post, give it a title, and then I'm going to put some content in here. So just paste some random content, and I could format that content using some standard formatting tools, but this is in essence my blog post. You can add categories and tags, so if you had a lot of postings on a similar topic or category, then you could give a feature out to your end users to be able to filter and say, I want to see all the postings about politics, I want to see all the postings about a specific new product, whatever it might be. You can even choose to delay your posting, and maybe you only want it to happen on a certain date and time. And once you're done, you click Create This Post. So now that post is up live on the web. So let's go back to the website and let's just refresh the screen here, and you'll see that we now have demo for video post. And I want to make a comment. So I'm going to click Comment. So now I can put in my name, my email address, and then I can place my comment. And click Submit. So if I go back to the posting, you'll see that there's no comments posted. Well, that's because I turned on the moderating. So let's go back into the back end of Sitefinity and look at my posting, and I'll look over here and I'll see, oh look, there's a comment, one comment waiting. So I can click on it, I can see it here, preview it, and if I accept it, I can just click Make Visible. Or I could go in and actually edit the posting and maybe take out any objectionable comments or words that maybe somebody's using. So let's go back to the website, refresh, and now I see, oh, there's the comment showing. I can click on it, and people will be able to see my posting and my comments. So that, in a nutshell, is the blogs section, where I can create and manage different blogs. Very useful, but a key thing about blogs, you have to remember that if you create a blog, you should keep updating it, and the information you put in the blog should be very relevant to the purpose of your website. And that way, it'll actually help your search engine results as well, because the more and more valuable content you have on your website, the better your results will be on search engines. I hope this has given you a better insight into how Sitefinity CMS can be used to assist your marketing efforts, drawing more traffic to your website, and providing a rich, powerful environment for your customers and prospects to be able to learn more about your company and your products. So next steps. You can request a live demo, and we can do that either online or in person, and we can talk about specific things that are related to your business. If you have certain questions or scenarios you want to go over, then we can tailor the demonstration specifically to you. You can also, on our website, request a no obligation, no contact assessment of your website. Fill out the form online, and we will assess your website, provide you with a written report, and we will not follow up. It's up to you to decide whether you want to engage and discuss things a little bit further. You can also view one of our other online demos. One of the previous videos was an overview of what Sitefinity CMS is, and also a high-level view of the different marketing components and how you can use Sitefinity to drive your marketing efforts. You can get all this information and more at www.thewebyouwant.ca. Thank you for your time. We can be reached at any time at 1-877-728-5457, on the web at www.pavliks.com, or by email pavliks@pavliks.com. Thank you.